Cockatiel. If you prefer a small bird that is just as lovable and affectionate as a larger parrot, yet requires less space, then a cockatiel might be an excellent choice. Cockatoos are prized throughout the world because of their lovable nature. They are easy to breed, gentle, and love to be handled and stroked. Cockatoos make a soft chirping sound and are less noisy than other parrots. Cockatoos are easy to tame, inexpensive, and simple to maintain, and thus make an excellent choice for a beginner. Biological fact: weight 80 to 120 grams. Sexual mandatory 6 to 12 months. Average lifespan 6 years. Maximum recording lifespan 32 years. I will put it at the end of the video so you can read more about it. Thank you for viewing, and don't forget to smash that notification bell and subscribe bell down below.
This is the life of Bohemian.